Hello, welcome to Asian Petrol. Today we're going to show you how we shoot our car review videos so you can make your own car reviews coming up. Yeah, that's 9,000 right there. Where is the limit? Woo! And I hope you guys are staying healthy away from the virus. This week we have a no press car coming to office because we're just actually coming back from a Children's Day, which was yesterday on Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. So it was really difficult to book a press car. So this week, rather than showing you a car review, we're gonna show you how we shoot our own car review videos. So it's going to be fun. And before we begin, if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, and let's get started. Let me just sync these two videos. You always do clap about 3 times so they'll be easier for you to find sync points later when you do start editing. And yes, iPhone is also a very good source of video as well. So take your iPhones and Android phones, so whatever we have, okay? You guys all know our producer Kim, right? We have a Sony A7 M3 here with the gimbal, and we're using a lava mic here. This is mic itself, and this is a receiver. Whatever I say from here gets received to here and gets sent to the DSLR itself. I'll talk about the sound itself, but sound is very, very important because even I click off when I hear bad audio from a video. And also using gimbal is very, very nice too. We didn't use the gimbal because it was quite expensive, but adding gimbal makes the shots very steady and also stable, making the shots look more professional, right? So let me just show you the difference. With that setup, we show you the front design, side profile, and also rear design, and also we show you the interior of the car. And when we do show you the interior of the car, we like to use more than just one angle. Let's just say we just show me talking about the interior, about all the features, 12-volt charging, USB charging ports, and also legroom. And when we do talk about the headroom, we can show this another angle, just showing more detail about the headroom, which is also very handy as well. And we also like to take many B-rolls. A-roll is that main camera, and B-roll is, let's just say, supplementary images or videos. Let's say, for instance, when we talk about the powertrain, we can put image of the engine or engine revving sound. To make the A-roll more interesting and engaging. So editing is also very time consuming and it takes a lot of time, but it's also very, very rewarding process. Now we're going to test the 0 to 60 times with my Hyundai Palisade, and before we do, I'd like to just show you how we record our driving sound. As usual, I still have my lava mic, and I'm going to also add the shotgun mic near the exhaust pipes so that we can record the exhaust note. And as you can see, we have modified this GoPro suction cup so that we can stick this mic, shotgun mic, right onto the car. We also have dead cat inside, and we also have this sock over it to further get rid of the wind noise. So that's how we do it. All right, so let me just let you hear the difference in standing still, okay? This is coming from my lava mic, and this one is coming from external mic. So notice it sounds the best when you mix them together, okay? And because we have two audio inputs coming in, we're using this Panasonic HCX1000 with two XLR input points. We also have Race Logic tester up there, and before we do, let me just put a seatbelt on this Panasonic so it doesn't fly out of the car, especially when we're doing the braking test. Okay, so now we're ready. Okay, turn the ESC off and give it lots of gas. So it took my Hyundai Palisade about 7.9 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour, which isn't so bad for the first time, I guess. Okay, let me just let you hear the difference. This is my Hyundai Palisade doing 0 to 60 only with lava mic. And this is only with external mic. You get the best result when you kind of mix them together. It works the best when you have a live V8, but you kind of get the idea. Okay, done with the test, let's go for a short drive. I told you in the beginning, sound is very, very important, right? Because you don't want your car review video to sound like this. The sound is actually coming from that GoPro, so you see the big difference, right? GoPros are really great when it's giving multi-angle, just like right now. I really do like the compact size of the GoPros, so I really prefer it compared to Sony's Action Cam. But when it comes to be recording great audio, it just doesn't do a good job. So I suggest you get a good lava mic. Yes, it's expensive, but I think it's really worth the money. We tried shotgun mics and many other mics, but for us, this lava mic worked out best for us. So remember, sound is very, very important for making good car review videos and pretty much everything else too. Okay, let's talk about frame rates. Frame rates are how many shots are taken every second. For example, 24 frame rates per second means 24 shots are taken every second. 60 means 60 shots are taken every second. So which one do we use for our car reviews? Well, we started with 24 frame rates per second because it yielded smaller size file while giving us more dynamic looking shots. But now we use 60 frame rates per second because 60 frame rates just yields more smooth and stable shots. And even if we do drive crazy, 60 frame rates per second tends to give us more safe looking shots than the actual scene. That is why we do record our car review videos with 60 frames per second. And this is also going back to the B-roll, but we also like to take lots of drive-bys and also chasing to make you feel like you're right here with us when we're making car review videos. For this, we also use Sony A7 M3 with shotgun mics, but we also have to lower the volume because it's really loud when we drive right next to the camera. And this is about time when we start recording the drone shots as well. Alright guys, this is how we shoot our car review videos. Just wanted to give you behind the scenes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, see you soon and stay healthy. Bye bye. So it's next day after the filming, and when we get back to the office, we usually pull out all the files and store them in an order so we know where to use them. And we just start editing. Take the script out and just start editing. Oops, dropped my file. And yes, editing takes a long time. It's a long process, which takes about half day, maybe full day for a full review. But it's also, like I told you, it's also a very rewarding process, and just glad when you guys like our reviews. For the editing software, I like to use Premiere Pro, and there's lots of online tutorials, so you can really learn by doing it, so you can get started today. We do talk about the headroom. We can show this another angle, just showing more detail about the headroom, which is also very handy as well. 잠깐만.